What is going on YouTube? Just helping you out here. And for today's video, I'll be doing Chapter 26, Problem 18 in the Fundamentals of Physics textbook, 8th edition by Gerald Walker, Halliday, and Resnick. Chapter 26 is all about current and resistance, and in Problem 18, we're given the resistance of a wire and asked to find the resistance of a second wire with a few modifications. And so we know that resistance is equal to resistivity times the length over the area. And in this case we're talking about a wire, and the cross-sectional area of a wire is a circle, and the area of a circle is pi r squared. And so this is equal to rho times L over pi r squared. And now in the problem, one of the modifications is diameter, and so I would actually like to write this in terms of diameter. And so we know that radius is equal to diameter over 2, and so we can plug that in here, and we'll get that r is equal to rho times L over pi times d over 2 squared. And so this is going to equal rho times L over pi times d squared over 4. And so now we can multiply the numerator and denominator by 4, and so that's going to equal 4 rho L over pi d squared. And so now that's going to be our generic formula for the resistance in terms of diameter, and so that means that R1 is equal to 4 rho 1 L1 over pi d1 squared. And we're told in the problem that the resistance of wire 1 is just equal to R, so we'll call that R. And now R2 is going to be equal to 4 rho 2 L2 over pi d2 squared. And so we're told that wire 1 and wire 2 are the same material, which means that their resistivities are the same. So rho 1 is equal to rho 2. We're told that length 2 is equal to half of length 1, and we're told that diameter 2 is equal to half of diameter of 1. And so we can plug all of that in, and that's going to be equal to 4 rho 1 L1 over 2 divided by pi times d1 over 2 squared. And so we have 4 over 2, and so that's going to be 2 rho 1 L1 divided by pi d1 squared over 4. And so again we can multiply the numerator and the denominator by 4, and so then R2 is going to be equal to 8 rho 1 L1 over pi d1 squared. And so now if you look back at R1 and R2, you see that R2 is equal to 2 times R1. And so since R1 is equal to R, we know that R2 is equal to 2 times R. And so that's about it for this problem. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like, leave a comment if you have a question or an idea for a future video, and lastly, please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel so I can grow and help more of you guys out. I'm just helping you out. See you in the next video.